so I'm adding just positive 8. Okay. Now this next one says I start at negative 5 and I put on, Williams, putting on was what operation? Addition. But this time I put on 8 weights. Weights are positive or negative, Douglas? Negative. So I'm going to write that negative number in parentheses. So I'm putting on negative 8. Okay, this last one says I start at negative 5 and now I take off. Who remembers if I take something off, what operation is that? Taking off, Gabby? Subtraction, good. So is subtract 8 balloons. Are balloons positive or negative, Alexandra? Positive, good. So I'm subtracting positive 8. Okay. And now it says I start at negative 5 and I take off. Take off is what, Takiria? Take off is, it's an operation. It's an operation, so I want addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Check your notes. Taking something off. Claudia? What is it, Takiria? Subtract. So when I take it off, remember you wrote this down, that is subtraction. Okay, and Mariah, it says I'm taking off 5 weights. Are weights positive or negative? Negative. So again, I want to write that negative number in parentheses. So all I did was translate a situation into an equation using that information I've just been given. Or these actually aren't equations. Who remembers the term for these? When they don't have an equal sign, we call them something else. What are they, Jose?
Expressions.
Expressions. Very good. 2 claps for Jose on 2. 1, 2. Okay, great. Okay, so now we have this expression, and it gives it to us in words. So it says 2 minus negative 2. Again, if it says minus, meaning subtract, Teresa, am I putting something on or am I taking something off? Taking something off. So this subtraction sign means you're taking it off, which they told us right here. And then it says you're subtracting negative 2. Negative 2, Christian, is negative a balloon or a weight? A weight. So I'm taking off 2 weights. But in this situation, if I take off 2 weights, so I want you to do this on your number line. So get your toothpick, put it on the number line. Okay. So you start at 2, and then you take off 2 weights. So which direction is that actually going to go in? Taking off 2 weights. I want a hand. I take off 2 weights. Dylan, what direction is that? Up. Up. Right. So I'm going to go ahead and move up 2, and I'm going to land at what number? Like this? So it says it's going up. I start at 2, and then I go up to 4. Very good. Okay, so this is equal to 4. Okay. Now, for this next round of practice, you're given the equation. You need to write the situation based on the equation. I'm going to help you do the first one, okay? So looking at this first one, the first number tells me where I start. So I'm starting at what value, Kimberly? Okay, so I start at negative 4. And then I have addition. So addition, Gabby, does that mean I'm putting something on or taking something off? Okay, I start at negative 4 and put on. Did I put on a positive number or a negative number? Cynthia? Positive or negative? Positive. And a positive is that a balloon or a weight? A balloon. So I put on 2 balloons. Okay? If I'm putting on 2 balloons, what direction am I moving? Williams?